Good day. Today will be explained how to avoid the obesity and have a healthy lifestyle. The obesity epidemic is one of the most important problems in the present world. The sedentary situation of the human being, going more and more vehicles are used, work more on office desks in front of a computer, more television is seen and less exercise is done. In addition, less healthy food is eaten during the day. Fast food is present in greater proportions in our life. The effort made by public and private health care entities are increasing. Government try to build parks with gym, health campaigns, and other additional things so that their citizens improve their quality of life to avoid the growth of obesity. In conclusion, the aforementioned causes the epidemic of obesity to increase in capital proportions. Thank you so much.